party, come on, move around like a fresh rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, get some pillows in the Chevy. Slide a dial, laying low, hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with you steady. Open for plans tonight. Lost in the afterglow. Oh girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Love, give me life to find. I long for your company. Oh girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology.
You guys, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. Sorry about this position, but the vlog still continues. It is 2:21 and I'm still up. I was editing the vlog which you've already seen when my brother took me for a lunch, and I hope you guys loved it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and continue supporting me, continue subscribing to my channel, because this thing is difficult. Creating content is on another level. This t-shirt, I keep on repeating, it's all over. Anyway, today was a busy day and I enjoyed, like, we had fun with my bro. I can't complain. So you guys, make sure you show me some love. Anyway, I just want to sleep because I've already done my skincare. Nilifika nikaosha mwili peke yake, sikuwa nimefanya skincare, but now we are done with the skincare and my phone is about to go off. So yeah, let me see you tomorrow when I'm going to church, because today is on Saturday. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'll go, but I'm hoping and I'm willing to go. And then also I'm having something special tomorrow. I'm gonna be spending my night at Safari Park Hotel. You guys, I'm excited. Traveling is my thing, even if it's not like a long distance, but spending time outside. Yeah, let me stop talking. We're already 1 minute and 37 seconds, so you're gonna see all that. I hope I'm gonna record, and I hope I have an outfit for that, because it's a special occasion. So let me sleep and I stop rambling. I stop making noise for people. I'll see you tomorrow. Morning, guys. So today is on Sunday. We are going to church. This is my outfit of the day. I'll tag you along. After church, we're going for shopping. So that will be a different video because I'm going to be doing a haul. I don't know if I do a haul in this video. I might do it in a separate video. I don't know, but we'll figure that out. Anyway, let's go for church. Hi guys, so we're already home. You guys, I'm tired. Shisikia kuchoka. Hadi sijaosha uso, like hata sikuwa na sunscreen by the way. Anyway, I want to do a haul of the things that we've bought, and also I've bought a piece of trouser. So sasa hata tumeshaanza kupika like sausages zenye tumekuja nazo. Yeah, so I want to eat when talking to you guys, when showing. Let me first show you the trouser. This is how it looks. Najua aki ni white, my light haiwezi kubali. Let me try focus it. So this is how it looks. It's a white trouser and I'm loving it. So that's paired. So back, nimesha pika. We're done. So I want to show you the things that we've bought, and I want to make it look simpler. Let me tell you, if you're watching this video right now, na iko katikati ya 10th na 15th of October. Naivas iko na offer, so like a lot of things are on offer. In case you pass by town, any place karibu na Naivas, just go and purchase anything that has an offer. So this is masala tea bags. So this is the first thing that we bought. Zesta hot and sweet.
Ketchup.
Yeah, ketchup. This is what I'm making. So the next thing is curry, and it is from sugar. Naki, adulting is expensive. You guys, unaweza kuwa na 3k ama hata 5k, and when you go to shopping, like hizo pesa zote tu zimeisha hivyo. But like adulting is a scam, is a total scam. So yeah, tumenunua sukari ngapi? Kilo 8 kilos. Kuna hivi, kuna mbili huko. Ndogo tumenunua kilo 10, 5 packs of 2 kgs. And then we have Melvis tangawizi chai. I love Melvis, and it always has extra ginger, so this is a plug. Try using this one. Sorry about my lighting. Natumia simu kushoot sahi. And then we have tissue, bar soap. Ni tamu, sindio? Salt, hii ni 1 kg. Yeah, 1 kg. Unaona like hizi zilikuwa on offer. So this is what I was saying. And they were very affordable. Buy this one and get this one free. And then also buy this one, get this one free. Come on, into an offer. Please tell me on the comment section. Then this one, buy one get one free. What natumia Pepsodent. Na tulichukua nini? Tulikuwa tunataka kuchukua nini? Herbal. It's okay. It's okay. And then alafu steel wool tunatumianga hizi. And then Geisha black soap. Nipatie mbate. Na hizo buns, nionyeshe offer zenye Naivas wanapenda. Hizi buns zenye tunakula, by the way, ilikuwa you buy this big bread from Festive and then you get like buns. Zilikuwa pieces ngapi? 4 pieces. Yeah. So that is the offer. And then smoky ziko hapo.
Already half the way.
Shakula smoky. Okay, tulinunua pack 3. So this is the first pack. Tushatumia. Nina ziko karibu nusu. And you guys, can you try Kenchik smoked sausages?
Chicken flavor.
Yeah, chicken flavor. Try the smoked sausages. Na ni 22 pieces. By the way, hata hizi zilikuwa on offer, zilikuwa zimepunguza bei, si ndio? Walikuwa wamekata bei. So go and hadi hizi pia unaweza boil. Go and purchase these ones. They're very affordable. So all those things, hizo tu vitu kidogo na imagine tumetumia more than 3k. Adulting is a scam.
4K.
More than 4, si ndio?
4K 200.
4,200. Yo. 800 ufikie 5k. Anyway, Na unajua kuna vitu zenye tujabuy because we don't buy rice from supermarket. Kuna place nanunuanga na huko Jogoo Road zenye inakuanga na wholesale. So very affordable. Nimeonyesha hiyo place kwa another vlog. So in case you haven't watched my vlogs, go and watch them. So let me continue eating by the way. And also, saying if 5:35, I'm preparing to go to Safari Park Hotel. So I'm meeting with my friends there. You've seen them in most of my videos when you want to travel now. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. So bye. I'll catch up with you on my next one.